guys, it's Ilene here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm making a shaker birthday card and I need a little bit help with my shakers, so I want to do this with you guys and see what you think and what suggestions you may have, or if this is how you actually do your shakers. Before I get started, I just want to ask you to please subscribe to my channel and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. My father's birthday is coming up March 5th. So I was working on this card and I thought it would be fun to give him. He does like to collect little mementos and such and display them. So I wanted to make him a birthday card. He's turning 73 and this past year was real rough, but now things are doing much better. So let me show you guys the challenges I was facing. So I'm working on this card, guys, but first I'm gonna show you that I completely messed up the first cut I did on the Cricut, which really annoyed me. I really did want to use this paper backed with the colored paper, but it didn't work out that way, so we're going with a card this solid color. And what happened is the Cricut made some cuts here and it was off kilter. I don't know why. Sometimes Cricut Design Space does do this. I don't know if you guys have experienced this, but it was meant to be even so that you could slip the backing into those slots and it'd be like that. So my son's birthday is also coming up March 8th, so we're gonna just put this together. I don't want to waste it and he won't know any better. He's only gonna be 14. So back to my dad's, which I want to make perfect. I put the sequins in, as you guys can see. That's all good, they're not leaking out. It's a whole bunch of stars in here and some other little circle sequins. So I didn't like that when you look at the edge of the card, you see all that foam tape. So I started to put some twine and I'm just going to continue gluing that all around the perimeter of the card and jazz it all up, make the envelope, and then I'll be back. So this is the card, guys. This is how it turned out. I added that burlap all around the edge of the card to hide that foam tape, and it gives that really extra unique element that somebody like my dad is gonna think is a wowzer. He's not gonna think that I was covering up foam tape. He's gonna think that I put extra touches on his card. And to tie it together, I made a little burlap bow, added these sequins that are in the mix there, and I randomly added some around the front of the card. And the inside is all ready for me to write on, and I have the envelope that matches, and I had to make it so that I put the card in and then glued it because it's very fat and it matches, and that will be my card for my father. Now I didn't want to go ahead and waste the one that I showed you earlier that came out wrong, where it had the slits to insert this paper, but I just, as you see, glued it down. And what I did was just simply add a few little decorations on the front of the card to hide the slits. And this came out great, and this is gonna be for my son. So after about 2.5 hours of making my shaker card, guys, at least I got a bonus card too, because people make these look really simple, and I don't know, I always run into something, and this took me like 2 hours. So by the time I was done with the envelope and fixing up this card, it was just a crazy long night. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Alright guys, that's it for today. That is my way of making a shaker card. If you have any suggestions, please leave them down below. I love your feedback. It's always helpful. You guys are so talented in this community, and your feedback would be appreciated because I struggled with this card. But in the end, I think it came out really nice, and I hope he loves it. So as always, I hope you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.